Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we will see an introduction content of marginal costing. I am R. Geeta from final year BCom student of KCS Kasnada College of Arts and Science. The topic covered in this video is about marginal costing definition, features of marginal costing. First, we will see the definition of marginal costing. Marginal costing is the additional cost of producing an additional units of a product. The Institute of Cost and Work Accounts of India define marginal costing as the amount at any given volume of output by which aggregate costs are changed. If the volume of output is increased or decreased by 1 unit. To ascertain the marginal cost, the following elements are needed: direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, variable overheads. Thus, marginal cost is equal to prime cost plus total variable overheads or total cost minus fixed cost. According to Dr. Joseph, marginal costing is a technique of determining the amount of change in the aggregate cost due to an increase of 1 unit over the existing level of production. As such, it arises from the production of additional increments of output. Next is about the features of marginal costing. The following are the features of marginal costing. Features: marginal costing is a technique of control and decision making. Fixed and variable costs are kept separate at every stage. Semi-variable costs are also separated into fixed and variable. Fixed cost or period cost, they are excluded from the product cost or cost of production or cost of sales. Only variable costs are considered as the cost of product. When evaluation of finished goods and work in progress are taken into the account, they will be only variable cost. Fixed cost or period cost, they are changed to profit and loss account during the period in which they are incurred. They are not carried forward to the next year's income. Marginal income or marginal contribution is known as the income or the profit. The difference between the contribution and fixed cost is the net profit or loss. Fixed costs remain constant irrespective of level of activity. Sales price and variable cost per unit remains the same. Cost volume profit relationship is fully employed to reveal the state of profitability of various level of activity. These are the features of marginal costing. So, in this video, we have seen the definition and features of marginal costing. Thank you.